Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about taters. Potatoes are so easy to grow. You just put them in a container, cover them up with dirt, and let them go. I'm going to be checking these today. I'm going to cut the greens off. We're going to see what we got. Okay, we got it dumped out now. Now we're going to see if we have any potatoes. There's the seed potatoes. Oh yeah, looky there. Here we go. They're so fun to grow. Quite a few. I've started some more. I planted those May 20th. These. Can't remember when I planted these. Anyway, pretty good. Thanks for watching.